As part of the online-only setup for this tutorial series, we mentioned that RStudio Cloud was an option. However, we should be clear that RStudio Cloud is not meant to be used directly with the Jupyter notebooks we provide here. Google Colab or Jupyter Notebook itself will still be needed to actually view and modify those notebooks. Instead, RStudio Cloud is an environment in which you can write, debug, and manage larger R projects. In fact, we view it as such an important tool that we wanted to make sure it was included in the series. So this video will show you how to get set up with an RStudio Cloud account, which is a free account. And then in a later video, we'll show you how to actually use RStudio Cloud to start writing code. So to get started with RStudio Cloud, you can either go to www.rstudio.com, or you can click the RStudio Cloud link we've given you here in the notebook. This will bring up the RStudio Cloud website, and we're going to click on the Get Started for Free button. This will show you the available plans they have for using RStudio in the cloud. For our purposes, the free account is more than sufficient, so I'm going to scroll down and click Sign Up. The sign up page will ask you for an email address, a password, and your name, or you can optionally sign in with your Google or GitHub accounts. So I will fill this in with my information here. I will click Sign Up. You'll be asked to enter an account name for the account, and then you'll click the Create Account button. You'll then be presented with your workspace, which when you first create an account will have no projects. Depending on the size of your window, you may see a workspace that looks like this, or you may see one that has a sidebar that could also be accessed by clicking the menu button here in the top left, like so. Now, we won't be going into detail on how you use RStudio Cloud in this video. We're actually going to save that for a later video. But right now, you should be set up and can actually start creating projects and writing R code in RStudio Cloud.